this is a genius product. So what's happened lately in the mobile industry and in the mobile arena is these foldable phones. And I myself use a foldable phone. I've been using the Z3 Fold for about 2 years now, and it is a game changer. From using multiple applications to using TikTok. When watching TikTok, you can actually see the comments on the one side and the video playing on the other. And also it's brilliant for reading books. The Z3 Fold phone is, for me, a game changer. And today I have the Z4 Fold. So what I will be doing is I will be moving from the Z3 to the Z4, even though I know that it's almost identical in size, in specs, and everything else. There is one thing I need to highlight though, is the hinge. Everybody talks about the folding devices and the hinge that gives up. The amount of times I have been actually opening and closing the phone. So they have improved on the Z4 Fold. They said it's a couple of 100,000 times before the hinge gives up, but on the Z Fold 3 it wasn't that much. If I open the box, I managed to get it in the exclusive green color. It's got the 6.2 inch screen, as you can see on the front of the phone, and on the other side over here it's got the 7.6 inch when it's fully opened. It's got 3 cameras, wide angle, telephoto and zoom. It's got the flashlight over there. If I lift up this here and if I open up this package, it's got the cable, USB-C to USB-C. Basically what I'm saying is that foldable devices is definitely the future, and looking at the Z Fold 4, I believe that Samsung has made another beautiful foldable device, and that's why